Hi, this is William from Everlight. On behalf of Everlight, it's my pleasure here today to introduce Everlight's smart lighting, smart pole integration solution, turnkey solutions, and Everlight's overseas PPP project to our guests here today. And at the beginning, I would start to introduce a little bit background of Everlights. We are founded in 1983. Initial public offering in 97. Main business focus in design, manufacture, marketing of electronics, components, and module, which is LED related products. Headquarter is in New Taipei City, employee over 6,000 people. For our plants, we actually have 3 plants in Taiwan and 2 in China. And this is our vertical integration in our LED field. From the upstream, we have the cheap. We also acquire TechCore, also the public company, and also the Epistar, which is our main funded company, which is mainly focusing in LED die business. For downstreams, we have Everlights as a brand to marketing the luminaires and marketing application products, and also the other brand called Oufi is another 6 years old Germany brand, which they do a lot of sales in Europe already. And this slide shows our capacity in our LED manufactured products for the monthly capacity is around 6 KKK, which is 6 billion pieces of our LED application manufacturing uh, hours abilities. And this is showing our global networks in worldwide. You can see mainly still in Asia, and also we have several sales office in United States and Europe. And this is on the IHS report shows Everlights in LED ranking worldwide is around number 6, which have the penetration rate around 4.2%. So upcoming, I will start to introduce the main topic here today is about Everlight Smart City Solutions. So in smart city fields, in smart city application, we have several main fields that we can call smart city. And in Everlight's turnkey solution, we mainly focus in smart energy, smart transportation, monitoring, and stuff. So this is the smart city solution vision, which is complies 3 main components, which is the sun, which we in turn to the luminaire, the lighting, and also the sun has the UV, and UV also generates as the like water, uh, the bacteria, and also the air, which can be also the air sensing components. So for the smart city solution, is always related to the IoT gateway and software platform. So this will be the fundamental with all the smart city solution, which you are going to uh, connect with the solution you're going to have. So this will be the structure. So basically, you need to have the platform to show all the different kinds of application that you are going to integrate in your platform. And through the gateways, you can connect it to all the different devices that you are going to put in your smart city or smart solutions. So take smart street lighting connection, smart city lighting application as example. So you can see the street light here will be have a connector, and this connector will be connect to the cloud server, and the cloud server will send all the usage information, wattage, any kind of useful information, send it to your platform, which will be located in the control room of the municipality level or a city level because it will be highly secure information that city needs to inquire. So basically, this will be the platform looks like. You will have all the usage history, any alerts, functions, additional service, and map all the points of the luminaire will be set up with a GPS location. So when there is any like malfunction of the device, so you can send somebody easily based on the GPS location, go there and to fix the problem. So here is the RNA process that we work in Taiwan. So in Taiwan, right now, Everlights already have over 50% occupation rates in whole Taiwan, and around 65% is all implemented by Everlight's product in Taipei. The main difficulty working with Taiwan's municipality is all the municipality will require the service within 24 hours. For example, when a citizen report there's a malfunction luminaire LED lights, and this report will send it to the control center, and the control center will verify these alert or these information collecting. Is it right? Is it true or false? And then they'll send the contractor, subcontractor, go there to check and fix everything, recondition the problem. And after they finish everything, we'll report back to the system and finish the whole log. And this whole process must be finished within 24 hours. And this is the contract that we signed with the municipality right now here in Taiwan. So also not only the smart lighting, also small transportation. So for smart transportation, we have the traffic monitoring, traffic light management, smart parking. It's all applied right now, and it will be applied more and more. And for example, I believe somebody has to drive in, and it must be issued tickets by the CCTV, which is I don't know, maybe it's from the police or maybe from the AI. So right now it's a lot of more and more AI application to catch the speedy, to catch the violation on the street if you're not driving carefully or not driving follow the rules, and you easily get the tickets, and which we are doing also right now here in Taiwan. And for the parking, right now a lot of parking assistant is manually issue the tickets by the person who drive the scooter to issue the tickets, and in the future, near future, which is already in Taoyuan and Taipei, already over I think 2,000 parking space already implemented by the smart parking functions. So no need manual labor to go there, issue the tickets, and everything will be electronic and IoT. It will be IoT. And the good thing is to find in the parking is very hard in a very small city like Taipei, for example. So when everything is electronic and connected IoT, and you can easily find where to park easily by the app, which is with the system, So you will be saving a lot of time to find park. And smart monitoring, and also this will be the like a micro weather system to check the quality of the air, include PM 2.5, PM 10, air pressure, temperature, humidity, and it will be all included by this device. And we can use this device to know all the weather condition in the city by putting the reasonable density and reasonable arrangement set up in the city. So other application is about smart pole. Right now, we heard so many different applications: smart parking, smart lighting, smart monitoring, smart everything. But in the end, we need something can integrate everything all together. So this will be the next generation, the next huge market for this type of field. And there will be a pole, will be integrated with everything. And for example, charging station, most of the vehicle will need charging, and it will be also one of the function of solutions on the pole itself. And this is the real showcase that we already implement in some of the park, some of the residential area in Taipei. So next, I will share more about our showcase and our experience in different countries and cities, and to let us know how Everlight develop the foreign countries and how the foreign country guests can work with Everlights. And right now, we're focusing a lot in Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and Middle East. And in those territory, there is one international financial institute called EBRD, which is a European Bank of Reconstruction and Development. And this is also one of the bank, one of the IFI that Taiwan actually participate in these institute. So we also have the privilege to allow Taiwanese company to join EBRD program, and EBRD basically is a bank to help some of the country need to be developed for their infrastructures or for their education. Anything can be improved to the citizen, to the country that EBRD can help. So we work with EBRD in several countries already. For example, Poland. Poland is one of it. Kazakhstan is one of it, and in Middle East, Jordan is one of it. So I'm going to introduce our projects that we've been accomplished in Poland first. So this is one of our showcase in Poland. This city is called Krakow. It's one of the oldest city and beautiful city in Poland. So we set up our smart lighting system on this street, and I don't know how to pronounce that because it's very hard for me to pronounce Polish language. So this is the platform that we've been select and use in these streets, and shows that how many total is around 46 lamps there, and it was a POC project proof of concept. There is also a demo for us, and after everything goes smoothly and work with the municipality to meet their expectation and requirements, we hope to have like a massive investment program or plan development plan there to take everything there to help them to change to LED. And this will be the showcase, the photos that we uh, implement there. So you see the product here on the top of the luminaire. There is a small cap, and this is the controller. This is the thing and IoT luminaire, Internet of Things. This is the uh, controller connects everything. And this is the nighttime. You can see the difference. This is before installations, and after installation, you see the surface of the road of the street has increased the brightness a lot. And on the left side, it's haven't been replaced. On the right side of the street, you can see the difference here because you see uh, the lights, the color temperature is different on the left and right. And so it improved a lot. I would say it improved a lot. The citizen really thanks us to do this change, and hope us can work with them in the near future as soon as possible. So you see this during the nighttime. It's very good. It's a very good project. The citizen loves it, and we also feel very satisfied to work here. And I believe also some of the E3 member work with us in these projects, and also our foreign ministry of economic members and colleagues also work with us. And this is our local partners. It's from the one of the university spin-off company as our partner working these projects. So this will be the financial model, ESCO model. We basically invest everything at the beginning from our sides, and all the all the saving from the electricity will be returned as our investment share with the municipality in the future. So, and this is the other demos, other projects that we've been finishing, other city Prague, Denmark, Sweden, Germany, and everything. And this will be the Central Asia market that we've been developing for the past 7 years already. And this will be the Kazakhstan. And in Kazakhstan, right now we already have 4 PPP projects in Pavlodar, Samay, Uskaman, and Taras. So those 4 cities is the project that we work in PPP model, which is private public partnership. So basically, we work with the public partners. Usually, will be the energy department from the states or housing department from the states. So we basically signed a contract with the public partners and signing another contract to work with them. And we actually get the loans from the IFI, maybe EBRD, maybe ADB or WIB. So we work with them to help them to change everything, replace everything, and having the contract for maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years, and they will pay us back with all the investment, all the margin, all the benefits within 6 years or 7 years. Uh, if we don't do good, we don't do right, and they can cut the shares as a punishment, as a So this will be the main idea of the PPP Akima. Sorry, uh, city will not need to invest at the beginning. They only need to set out their budget every year and work with private partners and help them to do everything at the very beginning. And you can see here is Akima. This is the Kazakhstan language, which is the meaning of the city. So this is the before and after. Kazakhstan before is looking like this. Their street very old, luminaire, very dark, and after they changed to our smart lighting system, it helps a lot before many accident because they don't have too much traffic light. They don't have traffic light there. So most important thing must be increase the brightness of the streets to avoid accidents on the streets. So this will be the control center to set up in Pavlodar. And the other projects is we work in Uskaman and Samay with 25,000 pieces, and also PPP projects, working in the same spirit, working the same way. And then will be the introduction of the what we did in Middle East. Since 2007, Jordanian government start to replacing their conventional lighting to LED. So we get the project, we win the tender, we won the tender and do all the implementation there for the first phase. And the second phase will be the start to implement, to replace everything in Amman. And I personally been in Amman several times. I really enjoy the food there, kebabs and hummus. So it's a very good city, very nice weather, very beautiful. And the most important things, if you have any chance to visit there, you will know that all the lights implements by the Taiwanese company, which is called Everlights. I'm very proud of this to implement all our product here and also in Saudi Arabia. So Everlight can provide service from design stage to the contractor and to the O&M, which is operating and maintenance. We can include everything. We work with a subcontractor. So we can also apply different business model based on what city prefer. PPP, it's like private public partnership. BOT, built, operate and transfer. PFI, ESCO, like installments. They can return money little by little. And we can also finance the projects with bank, and also we can finance project by ourselves. So we are open to work with different companies and different municipality to be a solution provider. And yeah, hope we can work with you guys soon. Thank you.